like to go hiking in the summer. I was already on some mountains this year, and so I decided this time to visit a mountain lake. I went to the Klöntalersee and hiked along the lake. It is a reservoir that lies between the mountains. The water level is not so high at the moment, because it was drained this month. While I hiking, I admire the beautiful nature around me. I hiked to the waterfall of the Klöntalersee. There is not so much water flowing in this area at the moment, but still it was very impressive. The waterfall is steep and high. Under it I felt very small. The hike was a wonderful change. I love to relax outside in nature.